Toulouse, often referred to as the Pink City due to its terracotta buildings, is a captivating destination in the Occitanie region of France that offers a harmonious blend of history, culture, innovation, and gastronomy. As a city with a rich past and a thriving present, Toulouse invites visitors to immerse themselves in its diverse attractions and experiences. The Capitole de Toulouse, a grand neoclassical building at the heart of the city, stands as a symbol of Toulouse's civic pride. This majestic structure houses the city hall and a theater and is surrounded by bustling squares, cafes, and shops, making it a central hub for both locals and tourists. Toulouse's historical legacy is evident in its stunning churches, including the Basilica of Saint-Sernin, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This Romanesque marvel is a pilgrimage destination known for its intricate sculptures and the crypt that houses the relics of Saint-Sernin. The Site de l'Espace, an interactive space museum, showcases Toulouse's role in the aerospace industry. Visitors can explore exhibits, experience simulated space missions, and marvel at real spacecraft, offering a captivating journey through the cosmos. Toulouse is a hub of learning and innovation, with prestigious institutions such as the University of Toulouse and the Aerospace Valley contributing to its reputation as a knowledge center. The Ombres Blanches bookstore, with its extensive collection and literary events, reflects the city's intellectual spirit. For those seeking culinary delights, Toulouse offers a gastronomic journey through the flavors of the Occitanie region. Cassoulet, a hearty bean stew with meat, is a local specialty that showcases the region's culinary heritage. The bustling Victor Hugo Market, with its array of fresh produce, cheeses, and local delicacies, is a paradise for food enthusiasts. Toulouse's Canal du Midi, a UNESCO-listed site, offers a picturesque setting for leisurely strolls, boat rides, and picnics along the water's edge. The canal's tranquil atmosphere and tree-lined paths provide a soothing escape from the urban hustle. Toulouse's nightlife scene is vibrant and diverse, with lively bars, jazz clubs, and theaters offering entertainment options for every taste. The Saint-Pierre district is known for its buzzing nightlife, where visitors can enjoy live music, dance, and mingle with locals. Toulouse is a city that seamlessly blends its historical heritage with modern innovation, creating a captivating tapestry of experiences for travelers. Whether it's exploring architectural marvels, indulging in gastronomic delights, embracing scientific discoveries, or simply enjoying the city's vibrant atmosphere, Toulouse invites visitors to embark on a journey that captures the essence of France's southern charm and dynamic spirit.